This is our bathroom vanity. It's a pretty standard double vanity. It's got drawers on either side, it's got cabinets down below, and it's got this panel in front of the sink which does nothing and is wasting 3 or 4 inches of space that I'm going to reclaim. So you need 3 things for this job. First, a set of specialty hinges. Next, a tray that's going to fit into the tip-out area. And finally, a set of instructions. And of course, any sort of bathroom job seems to involve contorting yourself, lying on your back, sticking your head under the sink. Oh, ow. Well, it didn't land in my face. That's a bonus.
Time to pull out the stubbies.
There we go.
So with the panel out of here, you can just see how much space there is between the front and the sink. And back here, there's a lot, so you could actually make a shelf or something that went way back, but I'm just doing the tip-out trays.
Next, we got to install these hinges. One goes on each side. My cabinet has these little angle brackets here. I'm not really sure how necessary they are, but I want to get them out of the way so I can put the new hinges there. So I'm going to relocate them to the other side here where in the drawer opening. Like the stubby, this is one of these things that sits in the cabinet most of the year, but when you need it, it's a lifesaver. They supplied it with Phillips screws, so of course I'm using the Robertson screws that were in the cabinet in the first place. So with the front sort of clamped in place, I'm going to mark where I got to drill the screw holes, and I'm trying to do that without having to crawl underneath there again. Good. Got the pencil marks right where I need to drill. Hands up everybody who loves crawling underneath sinks. Wow. Okay. Most of the way there. Now I need to fit the tray into place and we're basically finished. Now I'm figuring out where I'm going to have to drill these holes. And I think there's going to be more crawling underneath. Oops. And that's that. Pop out drawer. Good place to store your screwdrivers, eh? And so that's about that. About an hour of work, a little bit of uncomfortable crawling underneath and sticking your head in these dark, tight corners, and then we got ourselves a nice tip-out storage tray at the front of the vanity, and yeah, some Phillips screws. I don't know what I'm going to do with these things. Thanks for stopping by and spending some time, and I hope you enjoyed it.